Hi, Doug McCon of RealityMe.net here on a weekend project. This is going to be a quick one. It's a dirty video. Not that kind of dirty. I'm not going to do a lot of editing or, fancy filming. I've got this cool jig by Ryobi that is good for making hinges. And I've got a door here that we want to add some hinges to. You can see we just made... I don't know if you can see that because I can't see it. We made one here. So this was a pre-made door, and I'm going to show you how easy this is to do. So I shouldn't be doing this in the house because I'm making a huge amount of dust. There's a line I've made here. So I'm going to take, I've marked the spot I want my hinge, and I'm going to put it, I'm kind of eyeballing this one. Probably shouldn't. That's close enough. So that's where my hinge is going to go. And the way this works is you take your router and you get it fired up. That's all she wrote. I've got to touch this one up a little bit, so I'm not going to take it off. But the quick and easy way to put a door hinge on.